Global economic growth is on track for its weakest decade since the 1960s, said the World Bank. The new report by the World Bank cites President Donald Trump's trade as a major factor weighing on economies worldwide. It expects Trump's new tariffs on America's trading partners to bring the world's economic growth to its lowest level since the 2008 financial crisis, when discounting worldwide recessions. It said that it does not expect another global recession due to tariffs, but it also said that average global growth in the first 7 years of the 2020s will be slowest of any decade since the 1960s. It downgraded its expectations of global GDP growth this year to 2.3% from 2.7% earlier, it forecasted in January. This is based on the assumption that tariffs worldwide will remain at their late May levels. This means that the world economy will witness its weakest pace of growth in 17 years, including 2 global recessions. In 2009, after the financial crisis, global economic growth contracted by 1.3%, and during COVID pandemic in 2020, it contracted by 2.9% as per the World Bank data. It also cut its growth forecast for almost 70% of the economies worldwide, due to the turmoil unleashed by heightened trade tensions. The report further said that the anticipated slowdown in developing economies will also be influenced by long-running trends like ballooning government debt levels. The Chinese economy is forecast to see growth slow from 5% in 2024 to 4.5% this year and 4% in the next. The World Bank expects 20 European countries that share the euro currency to collectively grow just 0.7% this year, down from already lackluster 0.9% in 2024. India, though, is expected to be the world's fastest growing major economy, expanding at a 6.3% clip this year, but that's down from 6.5% in 2024 and 6.7% down the bank had forecast for 2025 in January. Japan is expected to accelerate this year, but that's only from 0.2% in 2024 to a sluggish 0.7% this year. Fitch also downgraded its outlook for global government bonds this year from a neutral status to deteriorating, citing the impact of tariff hikes and trade policy uncertainty. Recently, the US Appeals Court has also given a green light for the tariffs till it reviews the decision to block them by a lower court, so they remain in effect. While the negotiations are underway, the tariffs, their erratic implementation and unpredictability are hurting businesses, consumers, economies, and the US itself too.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.